The 999 plan was a tax proposal that was a centerpiece of Herman Cain's 2012 campaign for the Republican Party's nomination for President of the United States. It was introduced in August 2011. The plan called for the replacement of all current taxes, such as the payroll tax, capital gains tax, and the estate tax, with a 9% personal income tax, 9% federal sales tax, and a 9% corporate tax. In July 2011, an advisor suggested the name the optimal tax for the Cain campaign's tax policy plan. Cain rejected the name, saying, "The plan would replace the current tax code with a 9% personal income tax, a 9% federal sales tax, and a 9% corporate tax." During a debate on October 12, Cain said that his plan would expand the base, arguing. Cain's campaign website summarized the 999 plan. Under his plan, corporations would be able to deduct the costs of goods sold if the inputs were made in the U.S. in capital expenditures, but not wages, salaries, and benefits to employees. Deductions other than charitable giving would be eliminated. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.